In this video we will be discussing about interest coverage ratio, and after that we will start discussing turnover ratios. In turnover ratios we will discuss inventory turnover ratio. Interest coverage ratio expresses the relation between the profit earned by the business and the amount of interest payable. It is considered that higher the profits, or if the profit is covering interest payable many times, then it is good for the investors. So interest coverage ratio is the relation or ratio which deals with the servicing of interest on loans. It is a measure of security. From the investor's point of view, it is measure of security of interest payable on long-term debts. It is expressing the relation between the profits available and the payment of interest. Okay. The formula for that is net profit before interest and tax divided by interest on long-term debts. Okay. Net profit before interest and tax divided by interest on long-term debts. And it reveals the number of times interest on long-term debts is covered by profit available for interest. Okay. This last line is important. A higher ratio ensures the safety of interest on debts. Now, interest on debts is a charge. It is payable even if the firm is not earning profit. So, the investors in equity will like to ensure that the company is earning enough profits to pay the interest on debts. If it is not so, then their investment may be at risk. Now let's take one question. See, the profit after tax is 60,000. So we will add the tax, and after that we will add the interest amount also to find out profit before interest and tax. Okay. After deducting 40%, profit is 60,000 rupees. We have to find out the profit before tax. Formula for that is net profit after tax multiplied by 100 divided by 100 minus tax. Here it is 40. So 100 minus 40, it will be 60. So 60,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 60. You will get 1 lakh rupees. Profit before tax is 1 lakh. Interest 15% of 10 lakh is 1,50,000. So profit before interest and tax is 2,50,000 rupees. Okay. Interest payable is 1,50,000 and profit before tax and interest is 2,50,000. So interest coverage ratio, net profit before interest and tax, that is 2,50,000 divided by interest on long term 1,50,000, and it is 1.67 times. Activity ratio reflects the efficiency of the business, effectiveness of the business. Higher the turnover ratio, more efficient the business is. Okay, higher turnover ratio means better utilization of assets, signifies improved efficiency and profitability. Now the important activity ratios calculated under this category is inventory turnover ratio, trade receivable turnover ratio, trade payable turnover ratio, and working capital turnover ratio. Inventory turnover ratio, also known as stock turnover ratio, determines the number of times the inventory is converted into revenue, okay, from operations during the accounting period. Okay. The formula is cost of revenue from operation divided by average inventory. Okay. It studies the frequency of conversion. Higher the conversion, better is the company's performance. Okay. It is also a measure of liquidity, and it determines how many times inventory is purchased or replaced during the year. Lower turnover of inventory may be due to bad buying, that means higher buying, absolute inventory which is not useful, which is a bad sign for the business. Now see, inventory in the beginning is 18,000, at the end is 22,000. Net purchases 46,000, wages is given 14,000, revenue from operation 80,000, and carriage inward 4,000. So first, the formula used is inventory turnover ratio is cost of revenue from operation divided by average inventory. So cost of goods sold we have to find out. So purchases plus opening stock minus closing stock plus direct expenses, 14,000 and 4,000. That is coming 60,000. Cost of revenue from operation is 60,000. Average inventory in the beginning plus inventory at the end divided by 2. So 18,000 plus 22,000 divided by 2, we will get 20,000. So cost of goods sold is 60,000 and average inventory is 20,000. When we put it in the formula, COGS 60,000 divided by average inventory 20,000, we get inventory turnover ratio as 3 times.